How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the stick drift in your HOTAS joystick. So of course, the easiest way to do this is to actually increase the dead zone of your games. So there's a lot of games out there, so you could just go ahead and navigate through the controller setting, and then we have the left stick dead zone. We also have the left stick right here and right stick. Normally it's going to be only one stick if you're using HOTAS, but you then want to go ahead and try to increase this until there's no joystick render anymore. Now from there, you then want to go ahead and use a compressed air, because we actually want to clean the dust and debris stuck within the actual joystick. So you could just go ahead and twist your joystick around like this one, and while you're twisting it, it will allow air to be inserted onto the gaps itself. So what you want to do is to go ahead and use a box of compressed air, and then from there you just want to go ahead and point it onto the gaps that we have made, and from there it will then go ahead and clean the gaps that will eliminate the dead zone. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.